Have you ever imagined owning a piece of the biggest companies in the Philippines? Jollibee. What if I told you that you don't need millions to start making your money work for you? 24 hours a day. Forget the idea that stock market investing is a secret club for the super. Today, we're going to shatter that myth. I'm going to show you the exact, step-by-step path to go from zero to becoming an investor in the Philippine stock market using just your phone and a small amount of money. Stay until the end, because the last tip could be the difference between making money and losing it. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly understand the why. Why invest in the stock market? Think about it. When you keep your money in the bank, in practice, it's losing value. By investing in stocks, you become a part owner of profitable companies. You participate in their growth, receive dividends, and watch your wealth grow over time. It's the most powerful tool for building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's a smart strategy for your future. The first and most crucial step is to open an account with a stockbroker. The stockbroker is the bridge between you and the Philippine Stock Exchange. Forget the image of men shouting on a trading floor. Today, everything is done online. There are many reliable and regulated stockbrokers in the Philippines. Some of the most popular for beginners are COL Financial, First, MetroSec. Most of them allow you to open an account online with simple requirements: a valid ID, and an initial deposit that can be as low as 1,000 or 5,000 pesos. The process is like opening a digital bank account. You fill out the forms, submit the documents, and in a few days, your account will be active. With your account open and funded, you're ready for the exciting part: choosing your first stocks. But hold on. Don't just buy anything that looks cheap. This is where strategy comes in. For beginners, the safest approach is to focus on blue chips. Blue chips are the stocks of the largest, most stable, and most respected companies in the country. Think of giants like SM Investments, Ayala Corporation, BDO. These companies have a long history of profitability and are less volatile than smaller companies. They are the solid foundation of any investment portfolio. Understanding which companies to choose can seem complicated. If you're enjoying this step-by-step guide and want a future video where I analyze the top 5 blue chips for beginners, hit that like button and comment. I want IT below. Now, how do you actually buy a stock? Inside your broker's platform, you'll see something called an order board or trading platform, ULL. Search for the stock code or ticker symbol of the company you want to buy. You'll see the current price of the stock. To buy, you'll create a buy. You decide how many shares you want to buy and at what price. A tip for beginners: start with a market order, which buys the shares at the best available price at that moment. It's the fastest and simplest way to execute your first transaction. Click buy, confirm your password. You've just become a shareholder. You officially own a small piece of a big company. But investing isn't just about buying. It's about having a strategy. One of the most effective and least stressful strategies for beginners is Peso Cost Averaging. Don't be intimidated by the name. The concept is simple. instead of trying to guess the best time to buy finally. This is the tip I promised at the beginning. The biggest mistake beginner investors make isn't choosing the wrong stock. It's panic. It's in its nature. There will be days when your portfolio is in the red. It's in those moments that you need to have a long-term mindset. Remember, you are not gambling. Don't panic sell when the market drops. On the contrary, if you believe in the companies you've chosen, market downturns are like a big sale, an opportunity to buy more shares of great companies at a lower price. Patience is not just a virtue in the stock market, it's your superpower. So, let's recap the action plan. 1. Choose an online stockbroker. 2. Deposit your initial funds. 3. Focus on buying blue chip stocks. 4. Use the Peso Cost. 5. Have a long-term mindset. Investing in the stock market is not rocket science. It's an accessible and powerful path to building your financial future. The hardest step is always the first one. Now you have the complete map to start your journey as an investor in the Philippines. Which company are you thinking of buying first? Do you have any questions that weren't answered? Leave your question in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. And if this guide was helpful to you, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because we have a lot more content on finance and investing to help you reach your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.